Now is available at McCarthy Cars, BMW X3 M Sport, 3-liter diesel X-Drive, 58 plate 2008 metallic black. Car has front headlight washer, front parking sensor, front fog lights, 19-inch M Sport alloy wheels. It's got roof rails. Car has rear parking sensor. Split folding rear seats. Full black leather interior. It's got side and front airbags, 5 headrests, ISOFIX child seat preparation, rear aux connection, for electric window, electric mirror, front auto headlights. Car has satellite navigation. It's got telephone, Bluetooth connection. It's got CD, 2-zone climate control, air conditioning, heated seats, automatic transmission, central cup holder, 6 CD changer, multifunction steering wheel, cruise control. Thank you for watching.